Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make orange protein shake. This delicious orange protein shake is refreshing and filling treat to start the day. It is nourishing and keep you energetic all the day. It helps in muscle repair and boost your metabolism. Ingredients: half bowl curd, 1 orange and 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder. Mix all the ingredients in a blender. Blend together for few minutes until get smooth and consistent. Orange is rich source of protein that helps in cell repair, boost your immunity and fight against germs and anemia. Yogurt is considered excellent source of protein that promotes gut, heart, bone health and helps in muscle recovery. Flaxseed are rich source of protein that help to fight heart diseases, diabetes and breast cancer. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.